Why is crypto up today? August 27, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. Another factor that will add fuel to a potential rally is renewed ETF inflows. This would make getting back up to $120,000 a realistic near-term target, says James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 minute ago. The crypto market is up today after a couple of days of decreases. Some 90 of the top 100 coins have turned green over the past 24 hours. Overall, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has increased by 1.9%, now standing at $3.94 trillion, moving back closer to the $4 trillion mark. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $153 billion. TLDR. 90 of the top 100 coins are up today. All top 10 coins turned green today. BTC and ETH appreciated 1% and 4, trading at $111,081 and $4,589, respectively. Markets are awaiting further signals. May still move in either direction. Latest decrease was a healthy correction after major gains. Both US BTC and ETH ETFs saw inflows on Tuesday, with $88.2 million and $455 million, respectively. Renewed ETF inflows would make getting back up to $120,000 a realistic near-term target. Market volatility and price fluctuations are a sign of a maturing but still dynamic asset. There is a slight rise in sentiment over the past day. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have decreased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, rose by 1.1%, now trading at $111,081. This is the smallest increase in the category. At the same time, Ethereum, ETH, is up by 3.8%, now trading at $4,589. The biggest rise was recorded by Solana, SOL, climbing 7.5% to the price of $202. It's followed by Dogecoin, Doge, with a rise to 4.7% to 22 cents. As for the top 100 coins, Cronos CRO recorded the highest increase for the second day in a row. It's up 37.6%, now changing hands at $0.2207. Hyperliquid, HYPE, is next, having appreciated 11.9% to $50.22. On the other hand, XDC Network, XDC, dropped the most, 1.7%, now changing hands at $0.07867. Two more coins are down above 1%, while the rest of the red coins are below that percentage. Meanwhile, Standard Chartered's global head of digital assets research, Jeffrey Kendrick, argued that Ethereum and related corporate treasuries remain undervalued and cheap at current levels, despite recent inflows. He noted the recent two-day sell-off as a great entry point for investors. Kendrick said ETH could hit $7,500 by year-end, and that treasury firms could eventually hold 10% of circulating ETH. Also, XRP futures on CME Group crossed the $1 billion open interest milestone just 3 months after launch. This signals growing institutional appetite for regulated exposure to digital assets. BTC at $120,000 could be a realistic near-term target. According to James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet, Bitcoin futures activity is at record levels, showing that traders are still engaged even after the price dip and whale-driven selling. That said, the market remains cautious, with options signaling some nerves. If Bitcoin holds above $110,000, I think momentum could build again, especially as attention shifts to the Fed's September decision. Another factor that will add fuel to a potential rally is renewed ETF inflows. This would make getting back up to $120,000 a realistic near-term target. Indeed, ETFs are back in green. European crypto exchange Zonda CEO Przemysław Kral commented that Bitcoin's latest decrease was a healthy correction after major gains. The market has had to move through a period of cooling off and consolidation before the next upwards trend. Market volatility and price fluctuations are commonplace and expected. It is another sign of reflection in the market and of a maturing but still dynamic asset, Kral added. Retail and institutional investors alike will be closely watching the market and weighing up their options. Also, BitUnix analysts argued that in crypto markets, short-term safe haven demand provides some support, but that investors should remain alert to cross-asset volatility triggered by a sharp oil spike. Investors should keep an eye on this week's US PCE and labor market data, the geopolitical tensions in Venezuela, oil prices, and the intensity of US sanctions. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Wednesday morning, BTC trades at $111,081. The coin saw a sharp jump from the intraday high of $109,526 to $112,279. It's now moving to the $115,000 level. Should it not turn red again, it may attempt to reclaim the intraweek high of $117,016. The support zone now stands at $108,695 to $110,000, while a break above $116,800 could lead to $120,900 to $124,000. BTC is currently 10.6% away from its all-time high of $124,128, seen 13 days ago. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,589. It saw a relatively gradual decrease from $4,399 to the day's highest point of $4,638. While BTC is red in the week and month timeframes, ETH has seen increases of 9% and 16% in these periods, respectively. While the coin may continue another rally towards $4,700 and subsequently $5,000, a reversal would see it back to the $4,300 level or below. Furthermore, the crypto market sentiment saw an increase today as the prices rose. The crypto fear and greed index rose from 43 yesterday to 47 today. While the caution and fear remain, there was also an increase in bullish sentiment over the past day. Meanwhile, as of August 26th, the US BTC Spot Exchange Traded Funds ETFs saw another day of positive flows of $88.2 million. 6 funds saw flows and all of them inflows. BlackRock is back at the top with $45.34 million, followed by Fidelity's $14.25 million. Moreover, the US ETH ETFs also saw more inflows on Monday of $455 million, reaching the total net inflow of $13.33 billion. 4 of the 9 funds saw inflows. The highest of these is $323.05 million by BlackRock. Is followed by Fidelity's $85.52 million. Meanwhile, a Japanese Bitcoin ETF could debut in 2027. Policymakers may include a request to lift the ban on domestic Bitcoin-based ETFs in their next tax reform requests, a KPMG Japan executive said. In other news, Google Cloud has developed a Layer 1 platform, the Google Cloud Universal Ledger, GCUL. The system is designed for financial institutions and aims to support tokenized assets, settlements, and Python-based smart contracts. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market rose over the past day, as did the stock market on its previous day of trading. By the closing time on Tuesday, the S&P 500 was up by 0.41%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.43%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.3%. On Monday, Donald Trump said he would dismiss a high-ranking U.S. Federal Reserve official, but stock investors' concerns about his Fed-related decisions have eased off. Now, the investors await the Fed's measure of inflation, set for release on Friday. Is this rally sustainable? The continuation of this rally is uncertain. While it may continue, another pullback before a more sustainable leg up is probable. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 27, 2025. The crypto market is up today after a couple of days of decreases. Some 90 of the top 100 coins have turned green over the past 24 hours. Overall, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has increased by 1.9%, now standing at $3.94 trillion, moving back closer to the $4 trillion mark. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $153 billion. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have decreased over the past 24. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar city executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Why is crypto down today? August 25, 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Massive MasterCard deal goes live. Rally to $10 begins now. 20 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Press releases. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports soul mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 25, 2025. Bitcoin whale dumps 24K BTC. Triggers $4,000 flash crash. ETH briefly tops $4,900. 2 days ago. By Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 19 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 21 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. August 18, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 3 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.